With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The statement is, it is much easier to roll an object rather than sliding it. So the statement is true, and this is because the sliding friction is greater than rolling friction. In the case of friction, we know that friction is the force that acts in the opposite direction of the motion of an object. Hence, if the sliding friction is greater than the rolling friction, that means rolling will be easier. This means that rolling will be easier than sliding. Hope you've understood this question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.